Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about a very important topic. What is energy healing and how does it work? Many people hear words like Reiki, chakra healing, aura cleansing, emotion code, or energy balancing, but they do not fully understand what these methods actually mean. Energy healing is based on the idea that our body is not only physical, but also energetic. Just like we have organs, muscles, and bones, we also have an energy field around us and energy centers within us. When this energy is balanced, we often feel peaceful, light, motivated, and emotionally stable. But when this energy becomes blocked, heavy, or disturbed, a person may start feeling tired, anxious, emotionally overwhelmed, stuck in life, or disconnected. Sometimes people feel unexplained sadness, heaviness in the chest, lack of motivation, stress without clear reason, poor sleep, emotional reactions that feel stronger than usual. Energy healing works by helping the body release this heaviness and restore balance. Different healing methods work in different ways. For example, Reiki channels healing energy to support relaxation and inner balance. Chakra healing focuses on balancing the energy centers of the body. Aura cleansing helps clear heavy or stagnant energy from the energy field. Emotion code works on releasing trapped emotional energies that may still be affecting a person's life. Body code looks deeper into imbalances that may be contributing to emotional, energetic, or physical discomfort. The purpose of energy healing is not to create fear. It is to help people feel lighter, calmer, and more aligned. Many people notice after a session that they feel more peaceful, more clear-minded, emotionally lighter, and sometimes even more hopeful. Healing can be a gentle process. Sometimes changes happen quickly, and sometimes layers release slowly over time. If you are new to energy healing, start with an open mind. Notice how you feel. Pay attention to your emotions, your energy, your sleep, and your inner state. Energy healing is about helping the body and mind return to harmony. Signs you may need energy healing. Title: 7 Signs You May Need Energy Healing. Now, of course, not every issue is energetic, but sometimes when a person feels off again and again, energy imbalance may be part of the reason. Let's begin. Sign number 1. You feel emotionally heavy for no clear reason. Sometimes a person feels sadness, irritation, or emotional pressure even when nothing major has happened. This can be a sign that emotional energy is building up inside. Sign number 2. You feel tired all the time. Even after rest, you may still feel low, drained, or unmotivated. Energetic heaviness can sometimes make a person feel exhausted. Sign number 3. Your mind feels foggy and unclear. You may struggle to focus, make decisions, or feel mentally grounded. Sign number 4. You keep repeating the same emotional patterns. Maybe the same fear, same stress, same heartbreak, or same self-doubt keeps showing up. Sometimes deeper emotional energies need to be released. Sign number 5. Your sleep feels disturbed. You may feel restless, overthink at night, or wake up feeling heavy. Sign number 6. You feel disconnected from yourself. A person may feel numb, lost, or like they are not fully present in life. Sign number 7. You feel stuck. Sometimes everything looks fine from the outside, but inside you feel blocked, like nothing is moving forward. Energy healing may help bring relief by supporting emotional release and restoring energetic balance. Healing methods like Reiki, chakra balancing, aura cleansing, and emotion code can help a person feel lighter, calmer, and more centered. If you notice several of these signs in your life, it may be time to pause, reflect, and give yourself healing support. Remember, healing is not weakness. Healing is self-care. Many people ask, what is the aura and why does it need cleansing? The aura is the energy field around the body. It reflects our emotional, mental, and spiritual state. When we go through stress, fear, arguments, emotional pain, or negative environments, our aura can start to feel heavy or imbalanced. This may show up as feeling drained, feeling irritated easily, feeling emotionally overwhelmed. Feeling like you are carrying heaviness that is not leaving aura cleansing is a healing process that helps remove stagnant, dense, or heavy energy from the energy field. The purpose is to help a person feel more peaceful, clear, and protected. After an aura cleansing, many people say they feel lighter, calmer, fresher, more emotionally stable, more spiritually clear. Aura cleansing is especially helpful for people who are very sensitive to energy, people who deal with stress often, or people who feel affected by negative environments. It can also be useful after emotional heartbreak, conflict, fear, or long periods of mental stress. Cleansing the aura does not mean something is wrong with you. It simply means your energy field may need support, just like your body needs rest and care. Taking care of your energy is an act of self-love. In today's video, we are talking about chakra imbalance and how it can affect your emotions, mindset, and daily life. Chakras are energy centers in the body. Each chakra is connected with different areas of life. When chakras are balanced, energy flows more smoothly. But when they are blocked or weak, a person may feel emotional, mental, or energetic discomfort. For example, if the root chakra is imbalanced, a person may feel fear, insecurity, or instability. If the sacral chakra is blocked, a person may struggle with emotions, creativity, or relationships. If the solar plexus chakra is weak, confidence and self-worth may be affected. If the heart chakra is blocked, a person may feel pain in relationships, emotional heaviness, or difficulty giving and receiving love. If the throat chakra is imbalanced, communication may become difficult. If the third eye chakra is blocked, a person may feel confused, disconnected from intuition, or mentally unclear. If the crown chakra is out of balance, a person may feel spiritually disconnected. Chakra healing helps restore balance to these energy centers. When chakras begin to align, people may feel more grounded, more confident, more peaceful, more emotionally open, and more connected to themselves. Healing is a journey, and chakra balancing can be a beautiful part of that journey. If you want more videos on chakra healing and energy balance, don't forget to subscribe. Sometimes, when we go through emotional pain like heartbreak, fear, rejection, betrayal, grief, or stress, the emotion is not fully processed and released. Instead, it may stay in the body as trapped emotional energy. Over time, this trapped energy may affect how a person feels, reacts, and moves through life. It can show up as emotional heaviness, anxiety, sadness, self-doubt, feeling stuck, relationship struggles, difficulty moving on from the past. This is why emotional healing is so important. Methods like emotion code focus on identifying and releasing trapped emotional energies. When these emotional layers begin to clear, many people feel lighter and more free inside. They may notice less emotional pressure, more inner peace, improved relationships, better clarity, more openness to joy and love. Sometimes people do not even realize how much emotional weight they have been carrying until it begins to lift. Healing trapped emotions is not about blaming the past. It is about freeing yourself from the weight of it. You deserve to feel emotionally lighter. If this message touched your heart, subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who may need it. Thank you so much for watching.